start 4 o'clock in the afternoon practicing how to ayan, manubiring. I mean, steering. Yeah. Ha?
Kamag muna ako sa file.
177?
177.
Ay, grabe yun.
177. Bidding sir.
Seryoso talaga mga master, oh. Talaga na busy sa pagkikrane to, kaya alam mo naman itong bata ng NCL. NCL ng Hubison. Yung sa Mackerel, tsaka ano, Arc, di ba? Yan, kamada mga master. Speed natin is 12.9 knots. So yan, yung mga tracking natin. Yan natin yung position guys, ha. Oh. Tapat tayo ng Denmark na to. Denmark. Tama. Sa Ludwig. Tapos sa may ano, may mga windmill. Saan ba to? May mga offshore doon, no? Sa port side. Ito yan. Ito.
Ako guys, nakapako na ng 177.
Pinako na naman guys. Walang sawa, oh.
Yeah, talaga yun natin guys.
Today's duty is Chief Officer from Russia with love.
Russian with love.
Ayan. Ito yung pangalan ng barko. Cyprus flag. Our position. Where is that position? Ito. Heading 177. Tapos naka manual tayo. At yung timon natin guys ay manibela lang, walang joystick. Practice makes perfect mga idol. Shoutout sa magina ko at sa magina mo. At Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Happy Father's Day to all.
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay dyan. Happy Father's Day, chipmate, ha? Yeah. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day today.
Today is Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day?
Yeah, today is our
Two times.
Yeah. Malaki-laki to guys. Oh, grabe, pinako ng 177. Malaki tong nasakyan ko naman. Yan. Container, mga reefer, tapos mga aluminum yung kargada namin. Kaya kami nag-loading sa Norway. Yung mga crane operator na dalawa. Our crane is MacGregor maximum 60 tons. Ayan guys, sa labas na tayo. Good na yung weather, kalmado. Oh, diba? Yan. Ito yung free fall light boat. May sariling crane. Pasok ulit tayo. Kailangan ng guide natin, kababayan natin. Tulungan ba? Father. Our arrival is tomorrow lunchtime 12:00 in Rotterdam. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like and comment.
Don't forget to subscribe my family and my family. Don't forget to subscribe Pittsburgh, the master of fishing.
Ayos talaga. At saka shoutout Master Clito, Master Jan Procopio, Master D. Hermosora, Rainier,
My family Jupis,
Jiliter, Ray,
An,
An.
Roas, Stanley.
Love you, Mami. Thank you for watching.